guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. So today I'm going to be doing a what I eat in a day video as a college student, and I'm also vegan if you haven't watched any of my videos before. So make sure to subscribe and like this video if you like it, and let's go eat some food. Okay, so for breakfast I had a sweet potato and I put cinnamon on it, and I usually don't eat sweet potatoes for breakfast, but I have been seeing some videos and blogs and stuff of like people eating sweet potatoes for breakfast, or like making sweet potato toast or something, and they like put a slice of sweet potato in the toaster and like put peanut butter or something on it. I definitely want to try that. But yeah, I had a sweet potato because I ate a sweet potato burrito, which is also really good, the night before, so I had a leftover. And then I also had blackberries. And I just recently got a water pitcher with a water filter in it. It is the brand Brita, and I got it from Target. It's only like $18 around there, and you have to buy the filter and change it out every 2 months about, but the filters aren't that expensive. And I also wanted a water pitcher because they turned off the water fountains in the dorm, so I just had to go to the bathroom every time I ran out of water. Hey guys, so I'm going to get my lunch now at the dining hall. The college I go to, and I assume most other colleges, they are not letting people eat in the dining center, so you just have to take it to go. And it's kind of sad because they use styrofoam, and they also put it in a plastic bag. So, you know, at least I wish they could use a paper to-go box, because that's at least a little bit better than styrofoam. But yeah, I mean, I guess it probably costs less, but So the college I go to has this thing where if you have a diet or a food allergy, you can order online, because they don't lay out all of the vegan options, so there's not as many options if I don't order online. For lunch, I had a kind of like a grain mixture thing. So it had barley in it, and then also, well, I guess it wouldn't be a grain mixture because quinoa actually isn't a grain, but I think it's a seed. So it just had like barley and quinoa and some peppers in it. And then I also had some steamed broccoli, and then I had some lima beans. I also had an orange. All of these drawers on the top of my closet is all food. So I'm about to go to the gym, and I'm going to have a Lara bar. Alright. The chocolate chip cookie dough. I love Lara bars so much. So good. a snack, I had some cucumber that I got from my garden. So for dinner, I had a falafel burger and some cooked spinach and green beans. And then I didn't order this, but the person, whoever packs the meals, also added a salad. So surprise salad. So it had cucumbers, cauliflower, broccoli, carrots, and then iceberg lettuce, which I would normally never get because it doesn't have that many nutrients in it, but I ate some of that. I ate all of the vegetables in there, I just didn't eat all of the iceberg lettuce. To go home over the weekend for an appointment, and my mom made me some vegan chocolate chip cookies, so I'm going to have one of those for dessert. They're my favorite chocolate chip cookie, and actually I think they're my favorite cookie, like out of all the cookies. I did make a recipe video a little while ago, so I will link it right here and also down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like this video and subscribe if you liked this video, and I will see you in another video. Bye!